Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to blur faces in photos and videos using your phone. So first you're gonna go to Play Store. When you're here you're gonna download this app and then open it. When you're here you're gonna click on the plus and then you're gonna select the pic you want to edit. When you're here you're gonna click on effects, and I think the screen will not be recorded here, but we're gonna enter effects, then go to blur and then go to pixelize. When you're pixelize, you're gonna click the eraser in the top part of the screen and then click on face. This will make only the face in a blur mode. So you're gonna save the picture, and this is the result of the photo. I used a cat photo, but the face is blur. Now if you want to blur faces in a video using your phone, you're gonna enter Play Store and search for CapCut. Then you're gonna download this application and open it. In here you're gonna click on new project. I already have my project here, so I'm gonna click on it. When you're here you're gonna go to effects and then click on video effects and then search up for blur. Wait for this to load. Once this load, you can choose the blur you want. I'm gonna choose the first one, so I'm going to download it and then click on it, and then the blur should work. You can click on cancel, then the tick, and here you have your blur. Then you're gonna make sure it is all the length of the video. Then you're gonna click on the clip and scroll till you find duplicate. You're gonna duplicate, then select on the duplicated clip and go till you find overlay. And you're gonna take this clip to the start of the video, then click on the duplicated clip and go till you find mask. You're gonna wait and then choose the one you want. I'm gonna choose rectangle, and then you're gonna click on the bottom part of the screen, invert, and then you can adjust your blur to the face. Click on the tick and there you have it. The clip will be blur, the face of the girl.